Hello everyone. In this video, you factorize this algebraic expression m squared minus 2mn plus n squared minus 9r. So let's get started. First of all, I'll group them. So we have m squared minus 2mn plus n squared, just like this. Then I'll copy down my 9r just like that. Right. So what I'm going to do next is that I'll rewrite this expression as m squared minus mn minus mn plus n squared, and I'll copy down my 9r. Right. So I'll still rewrite this as m squared minus mn then plus minus mn plus n squared. Now copy down my 9r. Right. So since we have m here and here, this means that we can factor m out. So we have m into m minus n. Then we have n here and here as well. So we can factor minus n out. So we have m minus n. Just like that. Then I'll copy down my 9r. Right. Since we have m minus n here and then m minus n here as well, we'll copy one. So we have m minus n as one of the factors. Then m minus n is here as well. So we have m minus n. Right. And I'll copy down my 9r. So this could also be written as m minus n all squared minus 9r. And note that this 9r could also be written as 3 squared times square root of r all squared. Right. And note that this could also be written as 3 times square root of r all squared. So in place of 9r, I'll put 3 square root of r to the power 2. So we have m minus n all squared minus 3 square root of r all squared. Right, and note that this is the same as having a squared minus b squared, which is difference of two squares, and it is equal to a plus b, then a minus b. So I will expand this expression just like this one. So we have m minus n plus 3 square root of r, then m minus n minus 3 square root of r, just like that. Guys, this is the answer to the problem. You have been able to factorize this expression. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then tap on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in the next video.